Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. As a trader, we're always looking for a trading edge, and it really comes down to direction, timing, and then managing your trading risk. So what I've found over the years and years and years that I've been trading is seasonality trends can be a great way to get a kind of an edge and a heads up on your trades. So in this video, I'm going to show you some statistics that I use. These are seasonality statistics over different commodities. So here's, look at April Platinum. See where my pointer is? So this is April Platinum, the futures. Now we could use the ETF, the PPLT, but this has been a winning trade out of the last 15 years, 15 out of 15 years. Okay, so seasonally, if you mark the trade in around the end of November out and about the end of January, it's been a winning trade 15 out of 15 years. And the average profit over those 15 trades has been over 3,800. So that's November. Now look at the next chart or slide is December. So this is a long trend or long-term trend trade. So the same trade you can get in on around the 22nd of December out the 26th of January, and it too has been a 15 out of 15 year winning trade or $4,500 profit. Now the next thing I'll show you the charts and what they look like on this seasonal trend. But before I show you the charts, here's just for example last year. So this was December the 2nd, 2019, and this was entry in on the 2nd of December 2019, out on the 24th. And this last year, using the futures contract, if you did one futures contract, you made $5,200. All right, so that's 15 out of 15 years. The next chart will show you, or slide will show you, if you did this for December. So you bought this December 23rd, 2019, and out the 24th, and this trade was up. Profit was $3,300. So 15 out of 15 years. This has been a profitable trade. Now, what I like to do is, instead of just relying totally on the seasonality, I want to do kind of what I call an overlay to see based on my momentum indicators if this is a good entry signal at this time frame, or maybe you should get in earlier or later. So let's take a look at what it's telling us right now. But first, let me show you, these are the seasonality continuation series. So just an unbelievable potential seasonal trend. See, this is if you get in towards the end of December. This has a fantastic trend, seasonal up into the end of January, can pull back and then go up again. So this is showing you the seasonality pattern here, the last 15 out of 15 years on platinum. So now let's take a look to see what it looks like on the charts based on our momentum indicators. We actually set this trade up in our trading room at PowerCycle Trading on the 16th. So let's take a look. So one thing, when you look at the platinum futures contract, you can see this is what we call a volatility squeeze or price consolidation with the potential for a big breakout either up or down. Now we've got the seasonality charts telling us that there's a huge seasonal trend that happens, and it's been a profitable one 15 out of 15 years. So we want to go in the direction of the trend, but we want to use our momentum indicators to give us a better trade entry. So we set it up, and this was on the 16th. So Monday, this was the entry right here. So you can see it breaking above this area here. So you can see the moving averages. Our momentum indicator, cycle 1 and 2 are up. The 1 hour, momentum was up, both cycle 1 and 2, and then also the 4 hours. So those are kind of the three major time frames. And then it exploded to the upside, and this is up on the futures contract about $250. Now the other way you could do this, and this is what we did, was we used the platinum ETF. So what we did was use the ETF and bought the shares. So right here was the entry right here at 85.88. So currently, went out today up here with a high of 89.35. So it was up over $250 today on that. Now this is a potential long-term trend as well. So you could sell, get back in, sell, get back in, because this has potential to trend over close to 2 months. So here's the weekly chart, or I call it the long-term. So beautiful breakout. See the trend line break, broke through the 382, the 50% retracement. So next target will be here to about 91.84, and then potentially up to 95.66. So this was a seasonality trend, really solid trend, 15 out of 15 years, but using momentum to signal and give us the edge on entry into that trend. So if you'd like to learn more about using seasonality trends in your trading, I'll be doing a really great workshop this Saturday, and if you'd like to join us, make sure to do that. Use the link here that I provide you, and good luck trading.